Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a clear image and opening the keyboard app that supports custom backgrounds. Choose an image with at least 1080 x 1920 pixels so keys stay sharp. This matters for readability. Once done, grant the keyboard app access to your photos or files. Without permission, you can't load the wallpaper. Make sure you know where the image lives: gallery, downloads, or a cloud folder. Now launch the keyboard settings and head straight to theme or background to begin. Now import the image into the keyboard theme editor. Tap Add Image and pick your file. Position and crop so the central 1/2 area avoids heavy detail under key labels. This improves legibility. Use the app sliders to adjust brightness, blur, or a semi-transparent overlay. These changes increase contrast between keys and background. Test a few values, because a subtle blur or 20–30% dark overlay often works best. Once satisfied, preview how keys and punctuation appear. Save the new theme and apply it, then open a messaging app to test typing. Check letters, punctuation, emoji, and long press menus. If characters are hard to read, increase the dark overlay or blur, lower saturation, or choose a plainer image. These quick fixes restore contrast. If the theme doesn't appear, go to Settings, revoke and regrant storage/photos permission, restart the keyboard, or reinstall the app. That usually resolves permission or cache issues, so your wallpaper shows correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.